New dishwasher to put in. It's a Bosch. There's the number on it. It's an 800 series Bosch. Before I can put it in, I've got to put this in because, you know, Bosch has to be different and have a special cord. So you have to buy one of these things for an extra, I don't know what this costs, 15-20 bucks. So I've got Romex sticking out of the wall and where the old dishwasher was. So I've got to run it in through here, hook it up, attach this to the wall, plug that into the back of that, and slide that into the hole. Should be easy, right? First one we got was damaged, so I had to reorder it. They don't package them very well. They've got plastic around here and just styrofoam corners. And so we took all the plastic off at the store, inspected it this time, and wrapped it back up, brought it home. So we'll see if that one works okay. So the first thing though is to put this box in the house. Okay, that looks like it's in there. Assume there's no wires or pipes back there. This has a rubber washer in it. You don't need any Teflon tape on this end anyway, not on mine. Why aren't we turning? Tighten up. Oh, that's my adapter. The hose comes like this, and then I had to buy this adapter. Actually, the hose came with all the adapters with it, both ends. So this goes on here. the hose had everything. You buy a hose that comes with this adapter and some different ends to put on the other end, depending on what dishwasher you have. These all have rubber washers in them, so you don't need Teflon tape. I just have to get it on there. Really? Okay. Oops. Looks like that now. And out the other side. So now we have our supply line and our power. And the dishwasher should have the drain hose already on it, I think. If not, I have to buy one of those. First one I had was damaged. I had to take it back. So this one, we opened it up at the store and looked at it. I didn't see anything damaged. So I hope I don't find anything now. It has the third drawer at the top here. Seems like it's okay. That's another power cord. So you could just plug it into an outlet instead of hardwiring it. That's the plate for the front. Goes in the front kick panel, I guess. Like it has all the hardware here. The drain hose that's already attached. Instructions. Probably will read those. Yeah, I don't see any damage so far. It's the drain hose. Power will plug in back there, right there. Plugs in right here. This is the back. That's the right side. The left side. It's the controls on the top, and no handle sticking out because we have a drawer right here that is pretty close to here. Well, looks okay. I hope it runs. Going in that hole right there. I'll have to feed my drain line through that hole right there into the cabinet. Okay, I'm down at the back corner of the dishwasher, and this is where the water supply line goes on. Now this is not a cap, this is a filter. So you leave this like it is, not a cap, and you get one of these in your hose kit and you put this on here. It has a washer in it, so you don't need to put any Teflon tape or anything on it. You can see it's easy to cross thread, it appears. That's got to be cross thread because it doesn't go on. You'd think this would be easy. Okay. It's just easy to cross thread, I guess. It went on. So you put that like that. It says to hand tighten it, but you know, I always like to over tighten everything. There we are. All right. So that's on there. This drain hose, I want it to go this way. Here's these little things you can run it through. They just clip up like this. And you can't see that. Anyway, just clips up like that. It was running out here. I want it to run out the other way, so I hooked it up on this one here. It's gonna run out this direction. Power cord is gonna go right there. So my water line is sitting over here. Here on the floor. So I need to move this whole thing over there. Connect my water line. Okay, I've got this turned so that the back is towards the hole it's going to go into. And I need to hook this water line up. Power cores, bring this out here. This water line. Need to hook up right here. You can't see any of this. This has got a rubber washer in it, so you don't need any Teflon tape on this connection either. I don't know why I have so much trouble getting these things screwed on. Once you have the hose on there and tighten it up, then I'm going to run it down through here so it all comes out this way. Okay, I've got it part way in there. I still have to put the brackets on top and secure it. These brackets go in here somehow. Oh. Anyway, there's two brackets that go on the top of here. I haven't read that part yet. Those got to go on top. And I'm pulling these the wire and the supply line and the waste line, or whatever you call it, out as I push it in, and I've got them tied to the loop on the right hand side. So when I get it in there, if I get it in there, turn the camera back on. It's all in there. Like that. Power cable. Drain line goes up to there. right here. And this is what it looks like when it's in there. I haven't run it yet. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to go turn the power on and see what happens. Okay, this is the front. I'm not quite done yet. There's a couple brackets that need to go on to hook the kick panel on, but I'm not going to do that yet until I run it. So to level it, there's a screw right here. When you turn this, either way it raises or lowers the back. And to raise and lower the front, you've got these little plastic feet here that you turn to raise and lower it. And there's a rubber panel here that runs a couple brackets that you put on here. And then you put that like that. And the brackets stick out through here, and then you put the kick panel on the front. Haven't done that yet. Alright, here's the kick panel that goes on there. And it just goes on like this in here. Yeah, push the rubber thing up. These brackets go on here. Haven't put them on yet. I'll have to read up about that. Anyway, you put a couple brackets on somewhere, and then you use the 2 screws. And then there's a couple more screws to hold the panel on. I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to fire it up, see if it leaks and runs before I do that. That'll be the last thing I do. So we'll go down and turn the power on and see what happens. Okay, I turned the power on. No smoke, nothing like that. I assume it's going to work. So we'll test run it. And that was easy. Okay, there's the finished product. Kick panel's on. Seems to work. On to the next project.